In this question we have given a cell and we have to find which of the following is an incorrect statement from the following options. So first we will calculate the E naught of cell. Which is nothing but E naught of Cu2 plus Cu and minus E naught of Zn2 plus Zn. So 0.34 minus of minus 0.76. So this will come out as 1.10 volt. So if E of exterior is greater than 1.10 volt, so Cu will be the anode and Zn will be the cathode. And if E of exterior is equals to 1.10 volt, so Zn will be anode and Cu will be cathode. So C of exterior should be greater than 1.1 volt, so that Zn dissolved at Zn electrode and Cu deposit at Cu electrode. So Cu will be at anode and Zn will be at cathode. So correct option is second. So we will see the answer. So correct option is second.